No bake, instant natural pineapple cheesecake. This delicious, refreshing, and guilt free pineapple cheesecake requires no baking, no refined sugar, and no cream cheese, and can be made instantly with few natural ingredients. It is gluten free and vegan. Ingredients: you will need walnuts, almonds, dates, raisins, chopped fresh pineapple, cashew nuts, preferably soaked for a few hours, monk fruit sugar or jaggery or dates or any natural sweetener, and lemon juice if needed. Preparation: start by making the cake base. Grind together walnuts, almonds, dates, raisins, and your preferred natural sweetener, such as monk fruit, sugar, or jaggery. Mix until the texture becomes slightly sticky and moldable. Press this mixture firmly into a bowl or tray to form the crust. Next, prepare the topping by blending chopped pineapple, soaked cashews, your preferred natural sweetener, and few spoons of water until smooth and creamy. If the pineapple isn't sour, add a few drops of lemon juice. Spread this creamy pineapple mixture over the crust. Add freshly chopped pineapple on top for extra flavor. Refrigerate for a few minutes until it firms up. Slice and enjoy chilled. Tips: powder the nuts. First, when preparing the base mixture, and then add dates. Soak cashews for at least 1 to 2 hours for a smoother cream texture. If the cake base feels too dry, add extra dates or a teaspoon of water. If the topping seems runny, chill it for longer or mix in a spoon of ground nuts. You can make a small personal version of this recipe by using fewer ingredients. If you don't have all the nuts, use any nuts you have or even just one type such as almonds. This cheesecake tastes best when served cold and eaten the same day.